Good morning all, I am Ishrath-2002205. In this video I am going to discuss about the nomenclature of single point cutting tool. Let's see. Before going to see about nomenclature of single point cutting tool, let me know about what is a cutting tool. A cutting tool is a bit shaped and sharp with device that is used to remove excess layer of materials from the workpiece by shearing during machining in order to obtain desired shape, size and accuracy. Depending upon the number of cutting point, the cutting tool is classified into single point cutting tool and a multi-point cutting tool. In this video, we are going to see about what is a single point cutting tool nomenclature. A single point cutting tool is a type of cutting tool or cutter that removes materials by means of one cutting edge during a single stroke of movement. The examples of single point cutting tools are turning, facing, slotting, planing, and shaping tools. Depending upon the direction of a feed, the single point cutting tool is mainly classified into two types: right hand cutting tool and left hand single point cutting tool. This is a three-dimensional view of a single point cutting tool nomenclature. The various parameters of single point cutting tool are shank, base, flank, face, heel, nose, and cutting edge. Let me see in detailed manner. The shank is the main body of the tool which is used to hold the tool. The base is the bottom surface of the tool which is opposite to face. The flank is the vertical surface adjacent to cutting edges. According to cutting edges, there are two flanks, side flank and end flank. The face is the top surface of which chip passes after cutting is known as a face. It is a horizontal surface adjacent to cutting edges. Heel is an intersecting line of a face and base. The nose is a point where the side cutting edge and end cutting edge intersects. Cutting edge is the edge on the face of which removes the material from the workpiece. The tool consists of side cutting edge and end cutting edge. The various angles of single point cutting tools are side cutting edge angle, end cutting edge angle, side relief angle, end relief angle, back rack angle, side rack angle, and nose radius. Let me see in a detail. The side cutting edge angle is the angle between the side cutting edge and the side of a tool shank. The side cutting edge angle is also known as lead angle. The end cutting edge angle is the angle between the end cutting edge and a line normal to the tool shank. The side relief angle is the angle between the portion of the side flank immediately below the side cutting edge and a line perpendicular to the base of the tool and measured at the right angle to the end flank. The end relief angle is the angle between the portion of the end flank immediately below the end cutting edge and a line perpendicular to the base of the tool and measured at the right angle of the end flank. The back angle is the angle between the tool face and a line parallel to the base of the tool and measured in a plane perpendicular to the side cutting edge. The back angle is positive if the side cutting edge slopes downwards from the point towards the shank, and the back angle is negative if the slope is a slight cutting edge is reversed. The side rack angle is angle between the tool face and the line parallel to the base of the tool and measured in a plane perpendicular to the base of the side cutting edge. The angle gives the slope of the face of the tool from the cutting edges. The side rack angle is negative if the slope is towards the cutting edge, and the side rack angle is positive if the slope is away from the cutting edge. The nose radius is a given radius of the given circular arc, and it is the intersecting area of the major and the minor cutting edges. By giving curve to the nose, it will impact strength of the single point cutting tool. Nose radius plays an important role in the surface finish of the final product. The advantages of single point cutting tools are the single point cutting tool is simple in construction and hence easy to design and manufacture. As compared to multi-point cutting tool, single point cutting tools are cheaper. The disadvantages of single point cutting tools are these tools have low material removal rates, its productivity is low, the tool wear rate is high and produces high cutting temperature. during operations. Therefore, the tool life is short. Thank you.